Line item upsells. If you have a product and you want to give your customers the option to upgrade their item to the subscription option of that value, or if you just have a regular item and you want to show another option to add an add-on. Let's start with the subscription upsell. Both of them use the same component, but we'll just start with this one for demo. So we create a customization. We go to line item upsell, fill in the title. We have the subscription upsell selected, and then we can fill in the rest of the text right here. And if you have any display rules, just fill them in here, add them in, but if not, just let it be showing for all orders. So we save that block, and then we can add that to the checkout versus with the checkout editor. We just take note of the block ID right here, 9861, and we can add it right in the order summary. We fill in the block ID, include it in Shop Pay, and then we add it right under the first slot in items in cart. Okay, so now if the product has an upsell version, it will show the option. So we can go to our online store. These items do not have subscriptions, so let us find one that does, which is the ski wax. We can add the one-time purchase. Oh, one problem. So ski wax. Okay. There we go. So we add the ski wax and then we check out. And then we see that there's an option to subscribe and save. We can add that. And then let's say we want the weekly subscription and want 3 of them. Subscribe. And then it adds the subscription and then removes the existing one. So then, yeah, that's how you set up the upsell. You can also adjust the icons right here, but we'll show that in the next one. So that was the subscription upsell. And now let's go for a line item add-on. So we go back to the cart, we remove this, and let's say we want to add 3P fulfilled snowboard. So we add that to the cart, and then we can adjust these settings right here. So we can create a new customization, or we can just use the existing one. We can just change this upsell type to complementary add-on, and then change the text. Let's say ski wax, 20% off. Change the CTA to add, and let's say we want an add-on of an icon of a gift. We save the block, and for the add-ons, we actually need to set up Shopify Search and Discovery too, because that sets up the complementary items for each product. So you don't have to set it up for every single product, because it's already taken care of by the app. So if you don't already have the app, it's free and it's by Shopify. So we can go to the settings, we can go to apps and sales channels, Shopify App Store, and then search and discovery. It's the first option right here. We can install that. And then once we have it installed, we go to recommendations. We pick out our product, which was the 3-piece snowboard, and we can edit the complementary products. So we browse, and let's say we want to add ski wax. And yep, that's it. We just save that, and now the complementary items are set for the 3-piece snowboard. And if we want to add a discount to the thing too, let's just add that on for show. Product discount, and we want to discount 20% off of the ski wax, and apply it to checkout components only. Okay, so now we have a line item upsell. That's an add-on, a complementary add-on, and then we can go to checkout to check it out. And then we can see that it has the upsell right here. We click it, and it has this, the ski wax. So we can add it, and it gets a 20% discount already added to it. And that is how you use the line item upsell with Checkout Buddy.